He kept walking until the coastal views disappeared behind shrubs and rocks, until the sea breeze faded, until the trail narrowed, twisted, and pulled him inland, straight into what the locals quietly referred to as the wild part of the island. Here, the terrain changes. Gone are the touristy beaches and shady olive trees. Now it's harsh scrubland, sharp rocks, thorny plants brushing against his calves. The trail was definitely more remote and practically deserted during the heat of the day. The kind of place where GPS signals die and tourists aren't meant to go without a guide. He keeps going, expecting a clearing, a sign, something to tell him he's still on track. Then instinctively, he reaches into his pocket to check the time, but his hand hits nothing. His mind quickly retraces steps, the table, the restaurant, his phone lying right there next to his half-empty glass. He had left it behind, and now it's hot. The sun's relentless. No shade, no rest stops, no fresh water, just rocks, dust, and heat rising off the path. And he's walking in it, alone, with no phone, and no one knows which way he went. He pauses, wipes sweat from his forehead, scans the horizon, nothing but the trail, and rock, and the sun. And a creeping realization that this short walk has now become something else entirely. A survival situation. He keeps on walking. Each step now feels heavier. His legs, once reliable, start to feel weird, sluggish, like they're not listening to his brain properly. His shirt is soaked through, clinging to his back like a second skin. And even the occasional breeze feels like a hairdryer set to the max. He squints up at the sky. There's no shade, not a tree, not a rock big enough to hide under. The sun isn't just hot, it's merciless. It pounds down on him like a physical weight. That's when the first real warning signs kick in. A headache. The kind of headache that doesn't just sit quietly, it pulses. Then the nausea and dizziness took over. The landscape around him begins to tilt, like the world is on a gentle spin cycle. He stumbles, catches himself on a rock. His heart rate feels like it's thumping in his ears, too fast. Still, he keeps going, because now, finally, he can see something. Down below is the beach, a tiny speck of umbrellas